Welcome to the world of African beauty and creativity. This channel celebrates the art of African braids, cornrows, twists, locks, and stunning hairstyles that express culture, confidence, and style. From traditional African looks to modern braid trends, we bring you endless inspiration, tutorials, and designs that make heads turn. Stay tuned for haircare tips, salon transformations, and protective styles that highlight the beauty of African women around the world. Here, we celebrate the timeless art of African braids, a true expression of style, identity, and heritage. From cornrows, twists, knotless braids, box braids, tribal braids, Ghana weaving, and fox locks to modern creative hairstyles, every design tells a story of culture, confidence, and elegance. Whether you're looking for braid tutorials, protective hairstyle ideas, or salon transformations, this channel is your ultimate source of inspiration. We bring you trendy hairstyles, professional braiding techniques, hair care routines, and creative looks that suit every face and occasion. Our mission is to showcase the beauty and versatility of African hair, inspiring women around the world to embrace their roots, wear their crowns proudly, and express their individuality through their hair. Each video is crafted with love, passion, and creativity to make you fall in love with African hairstyles all over again. Join our growing community of beauty lovers, stylists, and queens who believe that every braid carries power, pride, and personality. Subscribe, stay inspired, and let's keep celebrating the art of African braids one strand at a time. That final shine, it's not just a spray, it's the glow of pure beauty.